Hello class, my name is Mr. Basilius. I'm going to go through attendance. If you would prefer to go by any nickname, please tell me. Spirlium minus.
Here, Basilius, can you please call me Spirilli? It's short for my shape. My shape is Beryllium, which means I have a slightly rod shape, and Spirilli is for short.
Next we have Streptococcus pneumoniae.
Here, please call me Caucus. Caucus is my shape. It means I'm spherical.
Okay, well today class we will be talking about Eubacteria.
Mr. Basilius, aren't we all Eubacteria? Why do we need to learn about ourselves?
Well, do you know everything about yourself?
Well, I guess not, but I do know that Eubacteria are prokaryotic cells, so we don't have a nuclei like other cells, but we are more common than other bacteria. We can be found almost anywhere and have been the cause of thousands of big people's deaths. But we can serve as antibiotic producers and food digesters. The big people can use us to produce drugs, wine, and cheese.
Like the cheese that makes up the moon?
Exactly.
Very good job, Spirilli. That was spot on. Except for the last part.
Ooh, Mr. Basilis. I know something about our kingdom as well. Our kingdom, Eubacteria, consists of mostly heterophytic bacteria that comes in three main shapes. They are cocky, like me, Bacily, like you, Mr. Bacillus, and Spirilla.
Like me!
Our kingdom is one of two prokaryotic kingdoms, that other being Archaebacteria. Bacteria in the Eubacteria kingdom have cell walls made without peptidoglycan, something like that. And lastly, our domain is bacteria.
Amazing, Caucus. You two know a lot about our kingdom. But did you know that our kingdom is usually divided into 5 phylums? Spirochetus, Comidae, gram-positive bacteria, cyanobacteria, formerly blue-green algae, and proteobacteria. Because there are so many types of bacteria, and bacteria that are very similar, you may see the same bacteria in other groupings.
But our bacteria is the best, right? Well, at least better than fungi. They think they're such fun guys.
Well, we don't want to say that, Caucus, but we do have certain characteristics that sets us apart from the rest. We can survive in a wide range of environments. Some of us are aerobic, meaning that we need oxygen to survive like the big people, while others are anaerobic, meaning they will die if oxygen is present. Some of us make our own food, some live with their mother, and the last of us obtain their food from other organisms.
What?
Nothing. There are more eubacteria than any other organism. Their cell walls are made of peptidoglycan. This makes their cell walls porous but strong. Some bacteria move and some do not. If a bacteria does move, it does so by either a flagella or cilia. Bacteria usually reproduce asexually through the process of binary fission.
Mr. Bacillus, inappropriate.
Have to learn sometime. Bacteria in general are not harmful to big people. Actually, the majority of the time bacteria helps. Many bacteria are decomposers. They help keep dead organisms from covering the world while giving plants the nutrients that are central to their growth. Because of all of our helpful uses, the big people could not function without us. They depend on us.
That was a lot, Mr. Bacillus, and really confusing.
Yeah. Sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about. Either it kind of feels like I'm reading from a script. Well, that's all for today. Next.
Phenomena. Phenomena. Phenomena.